The Pan-India Legal Awareness and Outreach Campaign was inaugurated at Kalaburagi city at Karnataka. The campaign was organized by Karnataka State Legal Services Authority in association with the District Legal Services Authority, Kalaburagi. Legal Awareness Program titled Actualization of Rights and Entitlements in Achieving Sustainable Development Goals 2030 held at the Engineering College Auditorium. The chief guest was Honorable Justice Uday Umesh Lalit, Judge, Supreme Court of India, Executive Chairman, National Legal Services Authority. Guest of Honor, Honorable Mr. Justice Ritu Raj Avasthi, Chief Justice, High Court of Karnataka and Karnataka State Legal Services Authority.
Universities, law colleges and other institutions. In consonance with the statutory mandate, Karnataka State Legal Services Authority, statutory body, has proposed to establish the legal service clinics in all the law colleges.
We are overwhelmed to receive Honorable Mr. Justice U. Lalit as the chief guest for this function. The concept of access to justice in India is much broader than confining it to providing lawyers for representation before the courts, to the poor and the marginalized for actualization of their rights and entitlements, especially at the aftermath of COVID-19 pandemic outbreak. It was a real challenge to provide access to justice to all marginalized sections of society. It is indeed laudable of NALSA to have conceptualized such a mass pan-India awareness. This year, India is celebrating 75th year of independence as Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. That this year, Khalsa is also celebrating its 25th year of its inception. On this momentous occasion, it is indeed an eventual day in the history of Khalsa that several innovations are launched by Honorable Executive Chairman of NALSA, and I am sure that the SOP of setting up of legal service clinics will redefine the approach in running those clinics both in and off the law colleges campus.
So it's a great thing, and I consider myself to be privileged to be here in this August gathering. And I see a large contingent of these tribals from Rajasthan. I was told that they were actually blacksmiths in the good old days when Maharana Pratap was fighting his battles against the Mughals. And when Chittor or Mewad fell, that's when all these people, they decided not to be part of Rajasthan and keep on the move till Maharana or his power got restored. And these persons are since then on the move. I come from Maharashtra. They are also at times in Maharashtra, they keep moving from one place to the other. And it's my privilege to be here. Kamagani.
ನೀರಿನಂತೆ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗಾಗಿ, ಗಾಳಿಯಂತೆ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗಾಗಿ, ನೆಮ್ಮದಿಯ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗಾಗಿ, ನಂಬಿಕೆಯ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗಾಗಿ. ಜೀವಭಾವದ ದೇಶ ಭಾರತ ಎಂಬ ಹಕ್ಕು ನಮ್ಮದು. ಭೇದ ಮಾಡದ ನ್ಯಾಯ ದೇಗುಲ ಎಂಬ ಹಕ್ಕು ನಮ್ಮದು. ನೀಲಿ ಬಾನಿನ ಗಾಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿನ ಉಸಿರ ಹಕ್ಕು ನಮ್ಮದು. ಹೂವು ಚೆಲ್ಲುವ ಹಾದಿಯಲ್ಲಿಯ ಹಸಿರ ಹಕ್ಕು ನಮ್ಮದು. ಕಾಲ್ಸಾ
ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಲೀಗಲ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿ.
ಕಾಲ್ಸಾ ಕಾಲ್ಸಾ.
ನಮ್ಮ ಅಳಲನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಆಲಿಸುವವರಿಲ್ಲ ಎಂಬ ಚಿಂತೆ ಏಕೆ? ಈಗ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯವೇ ನಡೆದು ಬರುವುದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಂಗಳಕ್ಕೆ.